Hi everyone, so nag-walking ko ron. It's 6 in the morning and then ang chika kay na naka-receive na akong email na about sa work related. And then it says na i-interview na ko. And I waited for that email for like 2 weeks. 2 weeks more or less. So finally, within that 2 weeks kay I was like scared, anxious, tapos wala ako kabalo kung unsa akong imo next. I'm planning to apply for teaching if dili ko dito makuha. Pero gihulatan gyapon ako kay wala man ko gi-reject. It's just that wala pa lang gyud siya response. So gihulatan jud ako kay di pud ko maka-apply for teaching kay naa pa ko hulatan nga part siya sa akong credentials. Gabi ikay i-email ko ni sir na i-interview ko today 11 a.m. Right now, nga walking pa ko. I do this every morning. Mag-jog unta ko pero I decided nga walking lang. Ako ang karon kay 3.1 kilometers with speed of 4.5 kilometer per hour. And then 40 minutes na ako ga-walk. So almost 1 hour na. So good luck to me later. 11 unta makuha jud ko because hadlok jud kaayo, like those days bitaw nga gahulat ko kay it's depressing. I don't know kung unsa akong himuon. I don't know kung like ako next, like ginaisip na gud mo ang life after school, after college, nga what's next, what to do, where to go. So karon gahanap jud ko og assurance na nakay place. Kailangan sa jud ako stable. But also it motivates me because since high school, I found a different kind of fulfillment if I am involved. Yeah, it gives me a profound happiness that I know that I am participating because it's really on the center of my understanding on leadership, that if you're on public service, if you're on leadership, no matter what position you possess, it's really important that you actively collaborate and cooperate with people, not just sit in a corner and just watch people. It's important that you also participate, you also engage. I manage the data collection, I listen to the diverse community needs of the people, and it taught me how to map out the public sentiments into a systematic and actionable plans. I believe that for us, Manggod, to create a solution to a problem, it is important for us to understand first, to listen first, to understand and to listen. And to do that, we must interact with them by allowing them to share their sentiments, to share their grievances. It's important that you share a connection, you build first the connection by listening and understanding the opinions of the people. Hi everyone! So haggard ko today kay nag-process ko papers. Tapos So, nagpa-notarize ka actually. Gikan ko nagbaligya sa akong bond papers. Kahapon, nagbaligya ko isa. Tapos karon apas na ko ang duha. So, ang payment lang ng atong duha kay balikan pa na ko niya hapon kay wala pa si Ante pero gibili na nako kay bukat kayong bond paper. Tapos, ang nas na akong gihimo kay nagpa-notarize ko kay Attorney Signawa. And then, funny pa kay natana si Attorney kung mag-apply ba daw ko sa Pulsay. Eh, lahat. BBS, wala akong ipa-notarize. So, natana siya kung sama, ka mag-apply, kamusta, chuchuchu. Graduate ka, Pulsay, chuchuchu. Anak pag-yes, ma'am, kanang kuan, pagkapurog siya. Yeah. So, kana, see you. Biyahe ko later, guys. And then, yeah. Good luck to me. Pero, guys, I'm hired on the spot. It's a great blessing. Wala pa ako nag-graduate pero ipa-process na ko papers kaya hired na ko. So, mag-work na ko, guys. Hi everyone! So karon naano ko diri sa Surigao and nakaadto na ko sa akong workplace. And then first blah 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 blah. Unfortunately, akong medical certificate and drug test and other papers are I actually duha lang kay wala na ko siya nakuha, wala siya naapas karon 5 and then mag-close naman. So probably kay kuan pa, Monday pa na ko siya makuha. Di na ko siya makuha tomorrow because for tomorrow and on Sunday, nami reorientation, nami travel to, unahan pa siya dito sa Surigao. So naamo good program among office to social welfare. So mag-visit me of mga children and other stuff. You know, we do other things. So ingon ana, it is actually unexpected. Kay akong pag-anhi jud diri guys, kay I thought nga kanang i-orient ko nga this is what to do, this is what you're to do, this is what you need, something ana. Kay ang plan kay ipapasa sa ako physically ang akong PDS and ang akong resume. Pero kay nikalit kanina og nakshakira ang tanan kay like hala shit kanang ingon ana. So like ako like wala ko naka-prepare, wala kay sanina, wala kay ano guys, wala kay sanina dalag. Ako medyo dala kay kini isa ka professional attire, tapos office attire, and then na ako'y duha ka t-shirt which is ang white gamiton ako tomorrow. Kay yeah, tomorrow na ako gamitin kay mag-white lagi may ugma. Thankfully nakadala ko white. Pero that's it guys, that's my vlog. Good luck sa ako, ano ra jud. Pero naka-try ko work kanina and thankfully kanang okay man ang vibe. Like okay jud kayo si sir, amo ang koan department head. Okay jud kayo siya, grabe siya ka welcoming, gi-assure gid mi niya. Dagan siya gihatag sa amo ang kanang koan, kanang positive like assurance, may ana. And then how to deal with the diversity and how to face the dynamics mga ana, and how to be a first timer in a workplace in a thing, in a setting after school. So ingon ana, we're really thankful, and I'm also thankful nga akong work kay naa ko'y extensive background, so medyo medyo kanina papahimo ko ani, pa-help ko ani be, and like it's nice kanina nga naka-adopt na ko, sugod-sugod. Pero na-shock lang dyan ko sa mga surprises ng office nga. Like, boom! Rich! Boom! 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 Marag... Oh my God! So mga to guys, kanang see you on my next video. Bye!